Hi boys and girls. Today, Mr. Baker and I thought we would show you 5 games you can play with a simple deck of cards at home. You can buy these at the Dollar Tree for $1. I think sometimes you can get 2 for $1. So check it out. So the first thing you need to do when you get your deck of cards is take out the face cards. Those are the queen, king, and jacks. Take all those out. Now the ace you can keep in, and that is going to represent 1 when you play your game.
First game we're going to play today is Battle. Now with Battle, the first thing you'll have to do is split your deck in half. So you can give half the deck to your friend and you keep the other half. Now, before you start playing, you have to name an operation. What do you want to do first, Miss Maynard?
Addition.
Okay, so we'll start with addition. So you both flip your card over at the same time, and the first one to call out the answer would keep the cards.
I've got 9 and 1, 10.
10. So Miss Maynard would keep them. Now let's do an example of subtraction. 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7.
So you keep playing until all the cards are gone. And the person with the most cards is the winner. Okay, the next game we're going to play is Big Battles. It's just like Battles, except this time you choose if you want to add 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Mr. Baker, what would you like to do?
2-digit.
Okay, so Mr. Baker will lay down 2 cards to make a 2-digit number. And he put down 2 and 6, so it'll be 26. And I'm going to put down an ace and 8, that'll be 18. And the first person who gets the sum wins. And make sure you use your mental strategies, but you could also write it down. So let's see. 44?
44.
So if you can't do it mentally, don't forget you can use paper. Now you can also do subtraction on this one as well. And you play until the deck is gone.
The next game we're going to play is called Speed Racer. This is all about the difference between even and odd numbers. The first thing you will do is pass the cards out. You can play with probably as many people as you want, just add cards to the deck. So let's do an example. We pass a couple out. Now that I've passed them all out, we have the same number of cards. Now, how this game works is you're not supposed to look at your cards yet. And when you say go, the person who deals says go. You flip them over and you have to organize them even and odd piles. The first one done, kind of like bingo, says done. Ready, go. Now, the first one done would say done. And then you have to go back and check their cards and make sure they did them right. If they didn't do them right and there's more than 2 players, you can keep playing. Miss Maynard has them all right.
But Mr. Baker finished before I did. So Mr. Baker's the winner of this round. The 4th game we're going to teach you is called Salute. In this game, player 1, that would be me, would pull a card from the deck without looking. I'll put it to my forehead. Mr. Baker, or player 2, has to tell me what add-in he would add to this number to make 10. And then I have to guess my number.
So I would say 6.
So that must mean I have 4, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then I check it. If I'm right, I put that down. And then the second player will hold a card up to his forehead, and I would say the add-in he would add to make 10. And I'm going to tell him 2, and he has to guess his number.
So I must have an 8.
That's right, Mr. Baker.
Because 2 plus 8 is 10.
Equals 10. And you keep playing until all the cards are gone, and the person with the most cards wins the game. You can use other numbers. You don't have to stay with 10.
All right, the 5th game we're going to play is called Slap. That's where you have a stack of cards, you stack them all up in one pile, and you choose an add-in that you would add to every card that you flip over. So if I flip this over, we would add, let's say we do 4s.
Okay, 4s.
So 8
plus 4 is 12.
And then you would play it as many times until
adding 4 to every card.
So now I have 4 plus 4 is 8. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about a couple games. I know I didn't know about all these games until Ms. Maynard started bringing them up. But maybe it's something fun you can do while you're at home with your friends, family, parents. Feel free to come up with your own game. Sometimes you can sit there and after playing some of these that Ms. Maynard came up with, you can come up with some things to change them or make them your own. Bye guys.
Bye.